Hello creators, this is Sabby and I welcome you to the Republic of Creators, an online ecosystem of resources to help you master YouTube and online video. The other day, I spoke with Max Miller with TastingHistory YouTube channel. If you don't know who Max is, well you should, because he's somebody that has gained, with 25 videos, he's gained 250,000 subscribers. Don't you want that? I want that. Now he's grown so fast, I don't think he would have changed much, but I still asked him if there was anything he would change. And he said he would. He would go back and he did come up with a few things. So make sure you watch and learn from Max so maybe you can even grow faster. Now this is a clip from our podcast interview and the full episode is available both in audio and video. Links to both will be in the description box below. Also, after you watch this video, I invite you to join the Republic. Most importantly, our meetup group, where hundreds of creators meet every week to share best practices, grow their tribe, build an influence. Because at Republic of Creators, we truly believe together we learn, united we create. Now let's go and watch this video. What would you, if you could start over? And again, with such a massive growth, almost 225,000 subscribers with less than 30 videos, I don't think you would want to change a single thing. But if you could start over, is there one thing that you think you can go back and change or will change?
Yeah, there are actually a few things. One would be better at storytelling ahead of time. It took a few episodes for me to, because I take a bunch of historical facts and little stories and just kind of mash them together. And lately I've been able to get more of a cohesive story throughout the 4 or 5 minute segment on the show. So getting that earlier on would have been great. And then the big thing for me is actually a technical thing. I would have started using a more powerful editing software than I use from the start, because what I use isn't as robust as I would like, but I'm too lazy to learn something new. So I'm just sticking with it for the time being.